Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're excited to introduce you to Sally's Organics large 1-gallon glass jars, proudly made in the USA with a wide-mouth BPA-free lid. Perfect for sun tea, fermenting, kombucha, pickling, and even storing cookies or candy. These versatile 1-gallon glass jars come in a convenient 2-pack and are crafted from premium, USDA-certified glass, ensuring a safe and odor-free environment for all your food and drinks. The 4-inch wide mouth design makes filling, cleaning, and handling these jars incredibly easy, allowing for mess-free access and quick cleaning after every use. Unlike plastic alternatives, these glass jars won't absorb unwanted flavors or chemicals, making them a reliable choice for all your storage needs. Whether you're brewing refreshing sun tea, fermenting kombucha, or pickling vegetables, these jars provide a secure and chemical-free storage solution. Trust in the quality and durability of Sally's Organics, backed by a lifetime warranty for long-lasting use and dependable performance. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more product insights and reviews. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.